marsh today, grown over and dry. Looks a lot different when we have water in here. You sure I don't get no snakes? Alright. We're in. Oh, a lot of little frogs all over the place. Oh, ground's popping. Yeah, people have been out here with their horses. Looks like somebody got stuck there. I could be wrong. Still wet. So the water comes right there where that tree line is, or that tree is. Usually, or a little bit lower. You can see that out there. Still muddy here. These little frogs are jumping everywhere. A frog hop. There's a big scary tree. It's usually in the middle of this little marsh. There's a trail right there. It goes way around. Apparently there's a beaver dam out here somewhere besides that little one we have back there. But it's hot, so I'm not gonna walk this whole thing. As soon as it rains, all this will be underwater again. You can tell where the little beaver's been out here. I see a lot of knot on little tree stumps. This all fills up throughout the year and runs into the big creek. I feel sorry for their horses down deep. So it breaks off several ways. And that goes around, you see on the trail. That one you'll see on the trail. And it'll run out to the little spot that runs into the big 10-mile creek. Ground's just a hopping. There's mold growing out here. You see that stuff on a lot of the trees out here. I'm not a mold man, so I can't tell you what kind it is. 105 out here. Feels like 107. Yeah, the shade be alright. It's got a little breeze today. We'll go around here. So you're going through the limbo part over there. Whole bunch of frogs. All this out here will be underwater still. Not very much. You wouldn't be very deep, but you definitely get stuck in the mud or have a fun time walking through it. See all the trash that gets built up out here. It looks eerie in there. It stops about right up there. Dries out the rest of the way. Like I said, it's not very deep along here at times. I guess it can get at times, but this is usually going to be probably ankle deep, I'm assuming. Hoping I keep the camera up high enough. I have a tendency to bring it down because I'm watching the ground for snakes too. That kind of looks like it got chopped. I guess a beaver could have done it. I don't know. I think it looks like somebody chopped that one. The beaver ones I've seen, it looks like somebody chopped it, but not that clean. A railroad tie. You will find a lot of those in this creek. Is that railroad tie? Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm not bending over to get underneath that thing. We're gonna go around. maybe a beaver did do that one back there. We're getting past this, I believe. Oh man. See the ground moving? I took the trail to get down here. This is where the other trail, creek bed, comes up to. So you could actually just walk it in parts. I just want to hit all the little mud areas. The trail right now, but it'll be water after we get some rain. And this area is just totally dried up. So I'll connect to that area we were just at. In fact, we were just past those trees, not too far. It goes on up that way goes up the hill a little bit, so then it kind of stops. But you'll have water all out in these little areas out here. You see how deep it gets here. So the water's at least getting up to there. And you see where our friendly beavers are there, over there, and over there. There's a yeah, see, that other one at first looks smooth, and those aren't like smooth and stuff. So I guess it was though. This makes me come back here cutting too. Wish they could be making trails. That's that section we're just at over there. You see it runs into here. And so all this kind of it gets overflowed and flowing, it flows into the creek down there. Excuse me, it's 105 out here. We're fixing to call it a day. I just wanted to come out here and see all this and get it on video. So it goes back to being the way it usually is. Global warming or not, it's hotter than hell. Well, peace to everybody. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Oh, came in down there. Looks like somebody came out here and stole my scooter. You put it side by side.